Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing. I really do appreciate. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well. In today's Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the background of any photo with just one click. So let's get started. Okay, so this is Photoshop. I'll go ahead and import the pictures I want to use. I'll go to my finder here, and first I'll select the two pictures that I want to use, and then I'll drag them into Photoshop just like that, and I'll wait for it to load up. So here it is. Then I want to replace the background of this picture here with this beautiful umbrellas. So what I'll do first is I'll unlock the background here, so I'll be able to move it. I'll click on the lock icon here, and then I'll be able to move it to the other picture. Okay, so I'll just drag it easily. Just drag it and drop it right there. So for me not to lose any pixels, to make sure the quality remains intact, I'll go ahead and convert the umbrella picture into a smart object. I can rename it umbrella by double clicking. Just type umbrella there. Then I'll right click and go to convert to smart object. So I'll go ahead and click on Command T to transform so that the umbrella picture will fit with the model picture. Okay, so I'll now hold on my Shift key so the umbrella I don't want it to lose any form. I'll just drag it to fill the picture like so. I click enter when done. Then I'll go ahead and unlock the background layer as well. That's the layer at the bottom, so I'll be able to move it above the umbrella layer and then remove the background. So this is where the magic comes in. In case you don't see the properties tab here on the Photoshop, you go to Windows and you just click the properties here, and it's going to appear right here. So here is the fun part. You can see right here where it says remove background. That is the only thing we have to click. So I'm just going to click it right now, and then you're going to see the magic. Wait for it. Background change with just one click. This is why I love Photoshop. No stress, no hassle, all done. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to drop me a comment, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Bye for now.